Okay. Let's see if this works. Don't know if this is working properly. I may be stupid. Oh, it's fucking in my headphones. There it is. Okay. Should be good. Okay, yeah. This is my first, so I've never done this on YouTube. Well, I have a long time ago. Just haven't done the trading live on YouTube. Okay, let me clear some of this out. Fuck. Okay. So what we're looking at right now is, if you guys can see, I don't know if it's playing or not. Okay, let me clear some of this out. Okay, yeah, it's working. So right now we had CPI. We had CPI at 8:30. Today, Tuesday. I don't have exams today. I do have a tutor late in the afternoon, but I don't have exams today. I already did my project. And basically at 8:30 we got CPI. Okay, that was expected. I would say. What did I predict? I said that I was expecting a 3.0, and we actually got a 3.1. And actually everything stayed approximately the same. This, on the other hand, greater than forecast is good for currency. So this was bearish. This was neutral, bearish. So we only had one bearish CPI on monthly, which still is a lot. Don't get me wrong. It's a lot. And so that's why when we got CPI here, we got that nice up move, right? And this line right here is actually the monthly liquidity, or that monthly swing high that we've been talking about up here. So when I woke up this morning and I saw this, I was like, okay, yeah, there's no way that we're not coming down. You know, like it's too big of an area to not come down. And so I drew my my quarterly theory right here, right? And you had, well, the accumulation here, right? And next thing you know, we're going to manipulation, and the manipulation zone or quarter happens here, okay? And you have the swing high that happens, and everything else closes under that swing high on the monthly, right? And so then we come down, and then this is all pre-market, 8:30, and I'm pretty sure around where was it, 30 minute? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so we have 8:30, we have a huge down move. So this is like, okay, CPI just went up and now it's going down. And in my mind, I drew this fair value gap right here. Okay, thinking price that would could come up here basically, and then tap into that and then come back down. That could be the move. Or what it's doing right now is it came down even further, didn't come back to this during market open, right? It actually just stayed there the whole time. Market opened down here. I thought that market would come all the way back here and do a silver bullet, but it didn't. It actually traded all the way down due to the OT that was formed from swing lows here to that swing high of the CPI. So that was the whole range. Obviously, it could have gone bought because it's right under the discount, but it actually went all the way down, touched the 0.705 OT golden zone, okay? And we are also inside a 4-hour fair value gap, which I had marked out right here, which is also in the OT zone, right? So in my mind, that tells me there's two things. It's very bullish, right? And we're gonna expect some kind of PD array to act here, right? And we want to see price act. And there's also that broken liquidity that's right there. We might as well delete that because we don't need that. And we're actually getting really close to the potential market structure shift. I'm kind of not worried about this one. I'm just kind of not so worried. I don't know. I'm still looking at this because it's not showing up on the 15-minute. Oh, Nick, quarterly theory played out nice on NQ today. Let's check it out. Oh, I didn't even draw it today. Fuck. Could draw it out real quick. Tuesday 12. All right, so here's how you draw. If you guys are curious, by the way, if you guys are new, you go from like today's Tuesday, so you do Tuesday at 12 a.m. and you count to 6, right? So it should be 12 to 6. So 6 a.m. I should probably do this on the 1 hour. And then from 6 to 12. So it's always 6 and 12. So 6, 12 p.m. Boom. And then from 12 to what? 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. And then 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Boom. Okay. Now let's check it out. If we go on the 5-minute. Yeah, this was the same as SPX too. Accumulation here, right? You have your accumulation zone right here. I'll mark it in gray. Actually, you guys might not see this, right? And then you could say that this up here is your manipulation. But this works because guess what? It's in the manipulation zone. Like that, see, you understand? You understand what I'm trying to do? Like that second quarter here. Let me just check on this. That second quarter here is manipulation. Like I'll mark it for you so you guys understand. This is accumulation. This is manipulation. And this here would be distribution. The AMD, I'm sorry, this is not like perfect, but at least you understand. Right? Accumulation here, manipulation. Now, the manipulation doesn't need to happen throughout the whole fucking quarter. Right? You guys understand that it doesn't need to happen during like the whole entire quarter. It can happen here, right? Because I didn't mark it on NQ, but on SPX you can see that there was that liquidity, that monthly liquidity. That's a big PD array. That's liquidity that can be used for the quarterly theory, right? With ICT, timeframes and all that. So that's a huge deal too. Okay? And that's good because you can utilize that to say this is valid manipulation. And remember, this is CPI, dude. This is some real shit, right? CPI is real. I mean, like if you just look at the numbers, it's high impact news. And we had not only the monthly CPI, but we also had the yearly CPI. So that's multiple things all accumulating into one. Fuck. Okay, that's not working with that. And now, I was debating on doing live trading because you guys will probably leave because it's extremely boring. But we'll see how it works out. To be honest, I don't really. But does this still work? Hold up. No, it doesn't. What the fuck? Why do I need to sign in? What the fuck? What the fuck? Why do I need to sign in? Okay. That's weird. For some reason, it's not showing me the chat. But I have it here. Is there a way to reload? Oh. Oops. Docs. Chat. There it is. All right. So now we're just waiting. I I don't really know because on the 4 hour I saw this, the market short shift, and this is like, I'm pretty sure I saw this before. I'm gonna hide this for a second. I saw this play out before. I don't think it was with CPI, but it was with some other high impact news. The thing happened where price went up and it created like, wait, is this even a market? No, it's not. Well, I mean, it broke those lows, yes. It created it went down, and so everyone thought it went down, right? So everyone started selling, and then they got stopped out because there was some kind of PD array or some shit that it bounced off, and now this became so bullish. So now, in my eyes, if I'm correct, I should see a market structure shift to the upside, okay? Or we could see the opposite, and what we could see is it comes up, sweeps this fair value gap that it created off the CPI like New York Open, and we come back down even lower, right? We could play this two ways. If my strategy doesn't work here, if it makes a new high and we do the OT and it comes back down, which it will come back down, and then fully comes up, then that will work, right? This seems like a big, like, even if we do take a trade here, like the standard deviation seems huge to me right now. It's possible. I mean, it's up here, and I'd see that happening because those highs are targeted. But I think that should just be just the target, to be honest. I'm just planning ahead because this is, I don't know. I don't know. Let's look at QQQ. Okay, yeah, I don't like what QQQ is doing. Well, I don't like it in terms of how far it went down because it only reached the consequent encroachment, so it got into discount for barely a second. It started going up. Dude, I hate charting QQ. It just looks so fucking awful. So many green lines, bro. Can we even change this? Symbol. Oh, post. Okay, yeah, let's do this. 5%. Fucking hate how colorful it is. It really annoys me. It might come back to the consequent encroachment of that 4-hour imbalance on NQ. It's risky. Let's see. Talking about this. The 4-hour fair value gap right here. Or are you talking about, wait, which one? I'm seeing two, but the one I have marked out is this one. Wait, no, it's not even, I don't even have that one marked out. There's this one up here that I'm seeing. Oh shit. I'm sorry, bro. There's so many fucking lines. I'm getting confused. Talking about this one. Why? Where's my line? Swear to God, I changed it so often. So annoying. Let's see. It definitely hit the consequent encroachment here. If this is the one you're talking about, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah. If you're talking about the pink one, I see what you mean. And that's what I was talking to on SPX is, okay, I'm trading this on SPX, by the way. Like, this is what I'm trading on during options. So I look at NQ for smart money, but I don't actually trade NQ. But I see what you mean. So the consequent encroachment here, it did tap into that. But what I was looking at mostly was the OTE, right? So from the swing low to that swing high. The consequent encroachment, which is, the middle, it's actually a range. I look at it as a range. So if I'm drawing this right, you're looking at it like this. So anything in green, you sell. Anything in, wait, what the fuck? Oh, no, the range is down here. My bad. Anything in red, you buy, right? So when I'm looking at this price, when it comes all the way down here, and this is where it gets really technical. See that like that tiny wick that comes down into this. So yes, it comes down in this fair value gap here, but let's just take that out for just a second. You see where price is? It taps into that zone, that discount zone, right? So for me, it's okay to buy now. So if you were to buy, we could. And that's what we're doing right now. This is the part I don't like, because this is the part where it's right now, right? In my strategy is literally building up right now. I'm undecided, right? Like there's no bias. It did the same thing on SPX, right? It could come down to the consequent encroachment here on that 4-hour imbalance. It could. But you know what I like to say? Just wait it out. See what price gives you, right? Don't trade right now. Trade what you know, right? Don't just randomly enter a trade because you want to be in that trade because you think it's going there. No. If you study price enough, if you study price action enough, you'll quickly understand that price does what it wants, especially today. Like today is CPI, dude. I shouldn't even be trading. So that's why my trade today is going to be the most like sophisticated. Like if I don't see something that I like, I'm shutting the stream down, bro. Because I should not be trading. It's risky. It's risky and it's unprofessional. And it's bad for your mental, man. If you start losing, you'll be like, oh, fuck, my strategy sucks. No, dude, you're trading on the most anticipated, like, news action, most volatile day ever. Like, yeah, you're going to get stopped out. That's a no-brainer. You know what I mean? It's a no-brainer. So now we just play the waiting game. We just play the waiting game. This is the competition I'm in as of right now. This is fake, but I'm just... Okay. So let's check this. Right now, the strategy is happening. We hit a time frame PD array. We hit the OTE. Nice price action. Saw it live. Should get some water, to be honest. Now we're just waiting for a close above this 5-minute market structure shift. Now, I don't prefer, like, this is why I'm hesitant about this, because I don't like 5-minute market structure shifts, because we are also in that 30-minute gap. Actually, let me mark this in like orange. We are in that 30-minute fair value gap that we created right off CPI and then the market open. So this could easily be a play where it comes in and then just sells off again, and then it does hit that consequent encroachment, as you said. So this is where you pay attention, and this is also where you wait. You wait and you wait, you wait. So if we see like a doji and it starts reversing off, that could be a sign that it's not working out. But I'm just going to wait. The 15-minute still has around 6 minutes to go. So we'll see how it goes. Oh shit, it actually posted in my Discord. That's sick. That is dope. Huh. All right. I hate it when there's so many fucking lines. I get lost. So many lines. Well, we have 30 seconds on that 5-minute candle. So if I don't currently like that, I would have wanted to see this candle close above, but if we don't see it close above this candle, I don't know. So far it's looking good, but I don't want to jinx it. Really don't want to do that. Is the stream looking good for y'all, or is it like... Because I changed it to 1080p. Oh yeah, it is 1080p. Damn, she looks crisp. I don't want to jinx it. She looks crisp. Dude, and oh my god, my mic sounds good and everything. Holy fuck, it's crisp. Damn, she looks crisp. I'm saying crisp so much. Dude, you can actually see the dude, when I record a video, it's gonna be like, okay, guys, I didn't even realize that, like, my videos sucked that bad. Like, the video quality, I did not know it was that bad. I don't see a reason for price to go lower. You might not see now, but that's why you do analysis before. And you just wait. Listen, if price goes down, it goes down. You can't really stop it. You know what I mean? You can't say, oh no, I wish it went up, dude. You know, you just gotta go with it. There's this saying that I always go by is don't fight the trend. Everybody will say that. Everybody, don't fight the trend. Right? If you start fighting the trend, guess what happens? You're going to get stopped out here and there. Actually, you're always going to get stopped out, right? If the trend is upwards, the order flow is bullish, and you want to take a short position, you might get lucky entering in a bull flag or a bear flag, you know, where price is like this. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. We'll draw it like this. It might be prices like this, and then you might enter like off like a bull flag like this. Maybe it's like this, and then price comes down a little lower like this, and you're like, oh shit, maybe it goes down. And then it comes down, and then price just shoots back up. That's a bull flag or whatever. So that's like that's what you might get caught up. You know what I mean? And that's unfortunate, but that's your analysis being wrong, right? Because you didn't know the order flow, you didn't know the trend. Listen, I'm just gonna wait. Like, this is all waiting. Hi sir, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. Thank you. I hope you're doing fine too. Yusuf. So yeah, just wait it out. And if you don't see a reason to go lower, that doesn't mean it's not going to go lower, right? Maybe you don't see it. Maybe I do. Maybe someone else does. Maybe a fucking institution knows it's going lower and can control it, you know? You got to remember, bro, I don't know how much money you got to trade with, but we're not working for big banks. We're not doing, you know, trading in corporations. We're the little guys. We got to pick up the tiny little crumbs left behind. Like, we're very small. And you're going to understand that we cannot predict the market because the market is going to fuck us. I think that's the simplest way I can put it. We will get fucked by the market. That simple. So far, it's looking good. So far, the price action hasn't been rejecting too much. We have a minute left on this 5-minute candle. Let's look at the 15. 15 looks like it's starting to sell off, but you know what? We just got to wait out. You know, a minute left to just fully close above that. I do kind of want to see, if we take this, there's the OT here. So if price does want to come up, at what point? Okay, so it would be up here. So there's just an order block. There's so much fucking displacement. It's crazy. I don't know. It's very, yeah, I don't think this will work. We got to move up, but I don't think we're going to get any higher, unfortunately. I highly doubt it. Could be wrong, but see how NQ's doing. NQ, look what I just noticed. $15-minute fair value gap here. Let me delete this because this is distracting me. Nick, for example, right here, right now, the market is in a way telling me that this could come down because this accumulation here happened here, obviously. And then you had the manipulation that went up, right? But manipulation up means that the order flow is bearish because it broke above these highs. CPI went up, but it was actually bearish. And so it came down, hits this PD array, and then you draw the range. So where's my range? Here. From that swing high to that swing low, right? And the time we can buy is basically, or the time we can sell right now is basically right now, right? We're in the time to sell. If you drew the OTE from that swing high to that swing low on NQ or SPX, you'll notice that the actual price it potentially could come back to is up here, right? That's an area I could be looking forward to. But right now, as we're speaking, sellers can start selling price. And this 15-minute fair value gap that it's respecting, right now it's respecting. Let's see if it respects it in 15 more minutes. This right now, this zone that we're in is where we can start selling. And I would actually like to see more. Yeah, see, it's not looking good on SPX. Oh, look at that. Hit the consequent encroachment. Yeah, we're going down, bud. Yeah, we're going down. That's a failed market structure shift on the 5-minute. Or 15, I guess, but. Can I click this fucking thing? Should put this in case. Oh boy. And this is what I like to do. Even though I don't trade all of it, like even though I don't trade QQQ, NQ, and all the other companies, I still look at their price action because sometimes SPX might be up here and QQQ might still be down here, like trying to figure out where price is. Like SPX hit that level, right down here, but QQQ didn't even reach that level. It just got to discount. So you can see how things play with each other, and you can see how everything reacts off of each other. Notice too how I'm switching time frames like all the time. That's just because you want to sometimes get the bigger picture. If I'm always stuck on the 1 minute like this, do I really understand the big picture? Like to me, this is, oh my God, it's a market structure shift. But is it really though? Like, because you look at the 1 hour and it's like, this is nothing. This is like, it tried to get up here, looks like an institutional order flow, and it just comes back down. And you got to remember, it's CPI. Price does whatever it wants, whenever it wants. You can't really have a perfect trade on CPI, but I guess we'll try. Look at that. NASDAQ. See, this is very strong, man. This is like we can sell now, and we sold off the tip of that 15-minute right here. Now, we still have 5 minutes to go. So can this potentially come up? 100%. 100%. Just gotta wait. I'm gonna go grab some water real quick. I will be right back. All right. Okay, well, told you. Actually, no. Should make that comment. NQ is I know NQ does this a lot. It sells off really fast like this, and it makes you believe that it's going down a lot or going up a lot. But it's moving, yeah, like 5 cents. When this would be moving 0.0 cents. So far it's rejecting. It did trade above. So it did break that. Well, there's 2 minutes left on that candle. SPX looks like it wants to go up. What does it want to do? What does it want to do? What is it going up, man? Is it going up or is it going down? I don't know. I hate predicting. That's what annoys me. I start predicting the market and then I get it wrong and then I get upset. Let's see how my competition's doing. I don't think it's doing very good. Yeah. Okay, AVI. It's just choppy. It doesn't want to make it lower low. Fuck, dude. Yeah, because now we're just getting choppy price action. I mean, this is not it. We're not even making new highs, new lows. Like, this is just chop. You don't really want to. I mean, you could see this, but this just indicates that it's building up something, you know? Either a sell or buy. Could be both ways. I really don't care which way it goes. I just want to take a trade. We got 30 minutes here, but there's just 15 minutes here. Yeah. Look at your 15-minute. Yeah. I mean, actually, I want to see something with the options contract. What it looks like right now. Okay, so the same on NQZ. What the fuck is this blue line? Oh, it's this high. So we're right around that high. I mean, shit, I hope it goes, like, my weekly bias is bullish. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this is like, you gotta look at the bigger picture, bro. My weekly bias is bullish. We've already broken, so I was thinking this monthly high would be broken, like, maybe tomorrow. But I didn't know CPI would, would definitely get to that first. So. In discount, we have a breaker with fair value gap on NQ 15 minutes. Do you have this on your chart right now, Nick? Because I think we could, I have a Discord. It's not like you don't have to buy or anything. But I joined it yesterday, and it'd be easier if you just posted your picks there. I'm thinking the breaker's here, right? If I'm not wrong. With the fair value gap. Is my shit delayed? Okay. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, I don't know how. I wonder if there's a setting for delayed shit. I feel like I have it off, no? Stream, output. There's nothing that says, like, fucking make my shit delayed. Unless it's a YouTube setting. Oh, it might have been. Fuck. Well, I don't know how to change that midstream. That's gonna be. Maybe I'll figure it out next stream. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Okay. So I see what you mean when it's a breaker on the 15-minute. Okay, and you're saying it uses it as support because it broke through. I see that. And you have that 15-minute fair value gap right here. Dude, there's so many fucking lines. Guess we'll have to see. I don't like making assumptions. Like I like to just wait. I like to just stick to what I know, to be honest. I do know what you're talking about though, the breaker. I do see that. I just don't think it will hold up. That's the only thing I'm concerned. I don't think it's wrong. I just don't think it will hold up. How delayed is it for you? Like if I say delayed in 1, 2, 3, and I start counting right now at 3. That's the only thing I'm concerned. I don't think it's wrong. I just don't think it will hold up. Oh, it is delayed. Holy shit. Dude, it's delayed by like 2 minutes. Like if I say delayed in 1, 2, 3, and I start counting right now at 3. Nah, that's like a good 2-minute delay, bro. What the fuck? I gotta fix that shit. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Well, that's the thing, dude. Like, I'm still refining my strategy. Like, my strategy isn't fully developed. I don't want to, like, it sounds cringe, but, like, and it's not, listen, it's not even my strategy. I'm pretty sure I took it off ICT and then tweaked a few things to my understanding, to something that I could understand. Because listen, if you watch ICT, what the fuck is wrong with me? If you watch ICT a lot, every single video that he spoke, maybe not every video, but the main videos, you'll understand that his narrative is that the market is manipulated and that it's algorithmic, right? Now, a lot of people may argue with you that it's not, it's this, it's random people buying here and there, but he'll argue the opposite. And he'll show you that prices are meant to be where they're supposed to be. Not all the time, but, you know, during New York Open, New York session, London session, this and that. It's meant to be where it's supposed to be. And institutions can control that, which is true. They can. Hedge funds and all that stuff do play a big part. And so he teaches that his PD arrays and his analysis and stuff like that makes, like, there's price comes down to go back up, or it comes up to go back down, and liquidity is needed and stuff like that. That's normal trading stuff, even at the New York Stock Exchange. Like, that's normal. But his main focus is price action, order flow. Like, it's literally price is going to go somewhere, and your job as a trader is to find keys in analysis to understand where that price is going before it does. So in a way, you're predicting the market, but with technical analysis, right? And the thing that he teaches is he teaches so much that when you learn a lot, and you learn a lot of his things, it starts to pile up. There's a fair value gap here. There's an order block here. There's a swing high here. There's a liquidity. There's this. There's that. There's a fib. There's this support. There's that. You're like, what does this mean? I feel like I'm learning new terms every 2 weeks. And that's a problem, because there's so much. And knowing a lot is good, but applying everything is bad, right? Understanding that price is willing to do things out of the question, that's fine. But also understanding that having too many lines and not being able to understand your chart and why things on your chart is a problem, right? Yeah, there might be a fair value gap here, but why is there a fair value gap? Why is that important? Is that even relating to the strategy? Is that even relating to the order flow, right? And if your strategy doesn't stick to the analysis that you do and you don't understand, that's a problem. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'll stick to my strategy, but my strategy is always evolving. I'm always trying to use other people's idea and in perspective. Like right now, you had your perspective on the market going up, and I previously had my market going down. But I could be wrong. Why? Because my analysis was wrong. Does that mean I'm a bad trader? No, it just means that right now, during CPI, during this session, my analysis was wrong. And so what am I going to do? Am I going to beat myself up? No. I'm going to take a picture of my chart, and I'm going to say, hey, in my notes, I'm going to say, hey, today I did a live stream on YouTube, and someone on my YouTube comments commented, this is what I think. And I said, oh, this is what I think because of this analysis. And I list out the analysis. And so next time I come back to that picture, I'm going to say I was wrong, right? But I can study that picture, and I can study the price action that happened there and learn from it, right? Yes, it's a mistake, but the biggest mistake is not learning from that mistake, if that makes sense. Like I'm getting really philosophical here, whatever the word is. But it's true. If I did make a mistake here, then it is what it is. Just I'll move on. I'll admit that I was wrong, but I was wrong because of a reason, and I'm trying to find that reason. You know what I mean? That's all it is. Fuck. I'm so tired. See if I can change this. Oh, I'm not even the owner of it. Damn. That's right. I'm not the owner of it anymore. Oh, that's bad. Right. Maybe I should redo You know what? Fuck it. Maybe I should just complete. I don't know though. Do I really just want to delete everything here that I have? Because I don't have perms for this, but like. Damn, I really don't want to do a whole nother Discord. It's too late to apologize. Because that's not a swing high. That's what I'm confused. Ow. This is yeah. Wait, I'm pretty sure it says it in my notes. Let's see if ICT is live. Okay, I'm getting completely fucking raw dogged here. This will go down. Yeah. Alright, let's okay. Just a bunch of fucking choppiness, man. This is just so much fucking chop. Doesn't want to do a move. Holy wicks. Alright. So now this is where I got a note in my notes. what's happening because I'm pretty sure I've seen this before. I just don't remember how I've traded it or have done anything to it. I'll explain after I take a photo of this real quick. Just put this in my notes. It's important, guys. If you guys are gonna be trading, please take notes. Maybe not on my fucking stream, but take notes on the trade. Take notes on everything, dude. Please. It will help you a lot. Let's see, it's interesting if this breaks out, actually. I'm actually really interested now. God damn. Well. Okay, he's not live, at least as far as I know. Fuck. Wait, can we create a loop? Wait, God damn. Hello. Well. Okay, he's not live, at least as far as I know. Fuck. Wait, can we create a loop? Wait, God damn. Hello. Okay, for some reason you can hear my fan. I didn't even know that. Let me okay. Hopefully that should be better. Let me looks like it broke out. Okay. Hopefully that should be better. Let's see if we can still hear it. Hopefully that should be better. Let me looks like it broke out. Okay. Okay, that's better. That's way better. My bad. I didn't even know you guys could hear my fan in the back. It's not even a fan. It's my AC, but it's like right above my mic. It's just on the wall. Whoopsie daisy. Didn't know that. All right, 10 seconds until this closes. Hey, Nick, you might be right, bro. I just don't see it on NQ. That's the problem. NQ, I'm still seeing chop. Unless, like, I don't know. But SPX looks like it broke out. I'm just waiting for that swing high. The only problem now, okay, is if there is that strategy, for example, my strategy. Okay, good. That's working. But my strategy would basically be to take this swing low to that swing high if it does create one. And use it from there. But it's also like, dude, I'm getting so confused now. Because is this not a 4-hour market structure shift? Or am I just fucking tripping? Because that's a swing. Wait, no, it's not. Yes, it is. No. Wait. That's not a swing low. At all. But it is on the 1 hour. Oh, that's a swing low. That's a swing low. That's a swing low. What the fuck? I don't even understand this anymore. That's why I'm confused. Yeah, it got to the point, bro, where I just have too much fucking analysis. I don't even know what's going on. Where in the big picture, there's supposed to be this. Ultimately, that's the big picture. So ultimately, if price comes up to that point, then I'm taking a short. It just wants to come up there. So we could lower this. Because that 4-hour market structure shift, but I don't mean. What's the Discord? Well, the thing is, it's okay. I'll give you an example real quick, or not example. This is what happened. I used to do videos a while back, like on GTA and shit, and I had a Discord for my community, which I still do. I still have it now. But the thing is, when I left GTA, like when I stopped doing YouTube and Twitch, I deleted my account that was the owner of that Discord. But I still have the invite link. So I came back with a new account, French Trades, on my new Discord, but I'm not the owner. So I can't add roles, I can't edit channels, I can't do anything. And I think it would be easier for me to just create a new one. Okay? But the thing is, there's so much, like I want some stuff. Like I just completely forgot how to add bots and like, like if I post a video on YouTube, I want it also to post it in announcements, for example, in my Discord, which I know I've done it before. Like it literally shows me in my Discord right there. But I'll invite you to this one. Hidden, copy the button. Okay, whatever. I'll invite you to this one. Pretty sure this is a temporary link, so try that one. And I'll make a new one. I gotta make a new one. Create my own club or community for me and my friends. Are we a community? Club or community? Yeah, I mean, it is a community, yeah. French Trades. Picture icon. Can I add a picture icon, or is it not gonna let me? Okay. Wow. There it is. Boom. Alrighty. Just made the new one. So, I gotta come up with all this other shit. But I think this could be a new start, to be honest. I gotta do this later. Gotta focus on this. Oh, okay, so NQ is starting to start getting bullish. It's still in this choppy price action though. QQQ just turned bullish. Yeah, just kind of waiting for this, to be honest. I need so much fun. Pretty sure I got COVID, bro. Dude, and that Discord had like, whoa, that Discord had people fucking donating, had people boosting the server, What did it have? Fucking dude, we had a lot of people before like everyone left because I just became so inactive that it's one of those community servers that like it was kind of active, but it was just like I'm in there to be in there, just to make him happy. Um, dude, people started donating tons of fucking money, dude. That was fun. That was fun. Yeah, I just deleted my. Um, Let me just put this invite link into never no limit. Generate new link, copy. And can I post any announcements? I can't. Let me just put it in general. For anyone that wants to join. What the fuck? Dude, I just got banned by ME6. What? Fuck. This fucking dude. ME6, dude. Get this bot out of here. Can I tag everyone or not? Not even, bro. I have no, bro. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure the people that are in the server are still active because every time I post something in announcements, someone gets a notification and clicks my video. Like you can see when you go to YouTube, for example, you can see every single YouTube that's been posted, and it's been like that. That's why I wanted to stick with that server, but guess we gotta move on at one point. It is what it is. Okay. So I'm not seeing any fair value gaps in the zone at all. So actually there's one here, but it's above. Damn, this is fuck. Annoying price action. Oh. Zane. Wait a minute. Oh, it's the other guy. There's an inverse fair value gap. Where? Hold on 1 minute. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you guys like, I think, guys, what do you think about this, right? I just made a Discord, right? I literally just made it. If I send you the invite link to this, could you guys just post your screens? Like, literally just show me what you're thinking. You know what I mean? I don't see it. And which Discord did you send it in? Because I don't see. Maybe I'm just retarded, but if I do this and I send you the invite link to the new one, So Yusuf, try to join the new link. Let me know if that works, and then everyone just send their pictures or whatever, their screens in general. Okay, so that works. Unless I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Add your first app. Oh shit. Events. Okay, so everyone can. I don't know why it's not showing your pic. It's a little weird. Alright, this is completely fucking me. There it is. Okay, I got it. Oh, you can hear the fucking. Wow. You can hear the beep. And you're on the 15-minute. Okay. Yeah, right here. The one I marked out here too. Yep. Oh, but yours touches a line. Is this NQ1? Wait, how is yours? Oh, yours is here. Oh. Oh shit, yeah, there's. Wait, which one did I have marked out? I had marked it wrong. Okay. Got that. Breakaway gap. Yeah, that's the. Yeah. Oh. Oh. NQ just touched the. This is important. This could be like a make it take it situation, or maybe not, but this could be like well, NQ has the OT, but I don't trade NQ, so it's like I'm waiting for SPX to get up here. That's what I fucking hate about these fucking shit, dude. NQ gets to those levels, QQQ gets to the level, but SPX is lagging behind like a motherfucker. Yusuf, did you figure it out? You gotta join the second Discord, the second link I sent up there. Should be the very latest link. And then you'll just see us in general. If you want to send a picture of your inverse fair value gap. Cause I'm interested. I'm interested in what you guys are seeing. I want to learn. You can always learn from someone else. Oh my god, dude, my back. Hey, no problem, bro. Appreciate you stopping by. I'll probably post a video. I mean, this will be up on YouTube. But yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. I need sleep. I didn't know we had. Oh my goodness. I just found. Oh my goodness. Wow. This was a Discord that me and my friends made, and this is something that I had. I just want you to realize how bad I was at trading, and like everyone starts off somewhere else. Like there's no right or wrong. Like this is yeah, that was crazy, bro. I'm just going back to the Discord I have because Jesus, I had a lot. I don't know how. Oh my god, dude, we did not. That's wild, dude. Is SPX doing something? All right, so right now my analysis, if you guys are following, is we had it was a little choppy. I'm not gonna lie, I was all over the place, but I'm pretty sure I fully understand it now. We had quite a large move up. This displacement up because of the swing low that was created. I'm pretty sure on the 1 hour here or 4 hour. I think it was 4 hour. It was 4 hour. It was the 4 hour displacement. So I noticed that there was a whole range here that happened with the CPI that happened too. And so I marked the swing low here. From that swing low that kind of deviated from that fair value gap, that daily fair value gap. I'm pretty sure there was another 4 hour fair value gap somewhere here, 1 hour that I know we marked out yesterday. Yep, 1 hour fair value gap right here. I'll mark it again if you guys want to see more closely. Okay. So there was a 4 hour, 1 hour fair value gap here that happened. Take that off. Boom. We skyrocket up through these monthly highs that are up there. I can't find them, but there was a line somewhere up here that we right here above these highs. We break that. Okay. And basically what that tells me is that there was a market structure shift that happened right here, right? Because it was a downtrend. We kind of get a raid and then market structure shift upwards, right? Now, the strategy that I'm trading, right, teaches us that after a market structure shift, price will most likely want to come back and trade into that, right? So we notice that this this price comes up, we make that final swing high here with the CPI. So you go from the swing low to that swing high, and that is the OT zone. That's exactly what we get on the 5 minute. We come all the way down to that OT zone. We trade right into it, into that 4 hour fair value gap here. That 4 hour fair value gap here is just a PD array just to help us with analysis. It's not really necessary. It didn't even trade down to the consequent encroachment. It's just there to be there and just there for potential support if needed. and we kind of get that bounce off. And then I also noted that it wasn't really, I wouldn't say it's a big market structure shift, but I do want to note that this displacement from the CPI all the way to that swing low is pretty crucial. I mean, it's big, right? It's big, and the bigger it is, the better, because the bigger the move, the bigger the displacement, and the bigger the displacement means that there's probably most likely some kind of fair value gap or something to retrace back into. So what I've done is that I've done the same for my strategy. I just haven't identified a clear market structure shift that happened. I just prefer bullish. To be honest, I don't like trade bearish market structure shifts, because for me it's easier to spot bullish market structure shift. Like there's a high, it breaks that high, but for me here there's multiple lows. There are so many lows here, right? This is the swing high, right? But there's like swing low here, and there's a swing low here. So is this a swing low that takes out that trend? Well, there's no other swing low. No, but it's that swing low. There's a swing low here, so that could be the market structure shift here. There's also a swing low down here, so that's also the market structure shift. But there's a swing low and the swing low here, so that's the latest swing low here. All right, that swing low doesn't get taken out by that. So like that swing high didn't get taken out by this swing high until here, right? So that's how I think of it. So there's no valid market structure shift for it to happen, right? Even if you look on the 4-hour, so many lines. The shift happened here, for example, right? We had that swing high, and this swing high wasn't broken until here. That's valid. And this swing low here wasn't broken by anything, so there's no market structure shift. But there's no swing lows anything here. Like this right here is not a swing low, but there's a swing low here. And if it goes here and it gets broken, that could be a market structure shift. Okay. We'll watch this. This might be interesting.
TradingView. So here we are in the PDF, and we are going to quickly review what a market structure shift is and what the change in the state of delivery is. Now I have individual videos on both of these concepts, and if you haven't seen them, I would watch those before this video. They will be linked in the description below. But to quickly review, a market structure shift is a change in trend. So it is when we shift from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. Now what it is its displacement over or below a swing high or swing low. Okay. You can see here, we create a swing low, we sweep liquidity, and then we get displacement and a close below this swing low, shifting structure. Now, how does this compare to the change in the state of delivery? Well, the change in the state of delivery is not focused on the close below this swing high or swing low, and in this case, a swing low. It is focused on the close and displacement below the opening price of this up close or series of up close candles into an important level, validating it as an order block. So you can see here, we displace and close below the opening price, and that creates an order block. Now, how do these two compare on a chart? You can see the change in the state of delivery happens prior to the market structure shift. In this example here, you can see those both occur on the close of the same candle. However, when we get into TradingView and look at a few examples, you can see that the change in the state of delivery will happen prior to the market structure shift. So let's hop into TradingView and go over a few examples of this so it makes sense. In this first example, we are just going to take a look at identifying.
Okay.
going to find the market structure shift versus the change in the state of delivery. So here you can see we have a discount fair value gap that price retched into and then closed back inside the range. If looking for the change in the state of delivery, I want to see price closing over this down close candle. Now, if I'm looking for a market structure shift, I want to see price displacing and closing over this swing high here. So on the next candle, we get both of those, which validates this order block as well as the market structure shift for price to then retrace or continue higher. And there we go. You can see we retest the order block before moving higher. Now let's get into a few examples which explain the differences between these two and why.
That doesn't make sense. That's too fucking technical, dude. Way too fucking technical.
One might be preferred over the other. Let's take a look at this next example here and look at the differences between the change in the state of delivery and the market structure shift. You can see we have an old high that we hit over here. If we are going to get a change in the state of delivery, we have to get a close below the opening price in this series of up close candles. Now, if we're going to get a market structure shift, we have to get a close and displacement below this swing low.
Okay, but why not this swing low? Or is this the start of a new trend? Like, I don't understand why they're taking this low instead of that low. That's a swing low, that's a swing low. Which one do you take? The greater one or the one that's closest?
So let's see how this plays out. You can see here,
you don't get it close, so it's not a market structure shift yet.
Price closes below the series of up close candles here, validating it as an order block. So just using the change in the state of delivery, we have now shifted to bearish and looking for this old low over here. However, you can see we haven't shifted structure yet. Here we finally get that displacement and close below this low here, as well as this low. That is our shift in structure. But if you notice,
oh shit. So this is actually failed. It actually closed above. Oh shit. So it was bullish the whole time. And so now what you do is you draw, oh shit. So we're just going OT to OT. Okay. So we're going to be waiting here for a while, bro. This is not what I want to do. Because now price needs to hit this and come all the way back down. Jesus Christ.
We never get a retracement before running this old low. So rewinding this price action, if I was going to be looking for an entry, how would I do that for the change in the state of delivery? And how would I do that for the market structure shift? Well, with the change in the state of delivery, once we get this close below the opening price here, I can be searching for a short entry. Now, in many cases, I will look to take an entry right when it retests the order block, my stop on the high, and then at my target. However, with a 1.1 risk to reward, what can I do? Well, I can notice there is a fair value gap right here, which I can look to take an entry. Okay. And then another thing I will do is look to find the 0.5 or mean threshold of the order block and use that as an entry as well.
Yeah.
So you can see it tags in there.
It's just he's using a recap, bro, so I don't trust that, to be honest. All right, so this was broken out of I think the play here is to write it down until it comes back up. Like it's gonna hit that I know it wants to break out to the higher levels of the OT, which it will. And that's where I'm gonna take a short position. But this is also where I'm gonna not gambling, but this is where I gotta be really risky. Because it can ride it all the way down, but by the time it gets to it, yeah, I just don't think I'm gonna catch the way up unless it starts selling like dramatically. But notice how we went up, and now we're starting to kind of get at a stopping point like we did here. and then we just kind of kept going up. So this is a stopping point. We're going to keep going up at least to these highs, if not sweep it again. That's why I was looking for like a fair value gap here. And Yusuf, if you're still in here, Yusuf, I need to see that the inverse fair value gap. I want to see what you're thinking, because I'm not seeing a fair value gap here unless I'm blind, and I don't like doing it on the 1 minute. Yes, there's a fair value gap here. I noticed that. We can mark it, but I hate marking stuff on the 1 minute because it's just, for me, it's not reliable. But we could tap into that. It's just that high, basically. That's basically all it is.
And then we hit our TP. Now with this market structure shift, price never retraces, and I would have never gotten an entry. The one benefit of using the change in the state of delivery is it can provide an earlier entry to market structure shifts. Now, although the change in the state of delivery can get you into positions earlier than a market structure shift, this is not always a good thing. For example here, if price is going to change the state of delivery, we need a close below this series of up close candles here. And if price is going to shift structure, we'd need displacement and a close below this swing low here. Let's see what happens. So you can see here, we do get the close below the series of up close candles here, changing the state of delivery. Now let's see if we get the market structure shift.
Is it closed? No, yes, no.
So although a change in the state of delivery might get you into a position earlier, it's not always a good thing because it may get you into a position that ends up to be a loser. Where if I was looking for a market structure shift here, we never got displacement or closure below an old low, which is never shifting structure and it remains bullish. So I would have never been looking for a short position.
Another thing I don't like with my strategy is that like this works, but in a sense right now, right, the strategy would just be waiting for this to come down. Okay, so now we're waiting for like a PD rate to get hit, and waiting for this to come down, right? The swing high itself, where is it? The swing high would be here, right? But if it keeps going up, that's a bigger swing high. The thing is that this is such a big move that it will take so long for price to come down and then retrace back off of it to still be bullish. I also just don't have the time. I wish that this price was like this. I don't know. I just wish there was a smaller move. That's really it.
Here. Now in my last video, I discussed inversions, and they can also be used to signify a change in order flow. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the top right as well as the description below. Let's hop into one more example to explain how all three of these can be used together and which one suits you best. So here we are on oil futures monthly chart, and you can see we have buy side liquidity resting here. So let's drop down to the daily chart. So here we are on the daily chart, and we'll go ahead and zoom into this price action over here. And you can see we have the old high resting here, and then we have buy stops resting here as well. So let's let this play out and look at the different ways that order flow shifts from bullish to bearish. So here we get a rate of those buy stops and the old monthly high. Now the three ways we are looking for order flow to change is an inversion. So when this bullish fair value gap gets closed below, when the series of up close candles here gets closed below, or validating that as a change in the state of delivery, or when this swing low gets displaced and closed below, creating a market structure shift.
So letting the market structure shift is used after liquidity is being swept. Okay, so if liquidity was swept here, the market structure shift would be the nearest swing low. Understood? But there is no swing low. That's the thing. It just stays the same price. Wait a minute. There's no fucking swing low. Well, I mean, it's that one, but it's that 1 hour swing low. No, it's all the same price. What? There's no swing low. Huh. 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 Okay. Okay. So NQ has fully traded through. So I'm possibly, let's see if QQQ did the same. Yeah, QQQ traded all the way through. Okay, so SPX is gonna go. It can actually reverse now. Now thinking about it, it could reverse and not come to here. Because it's getting near that. Yeah, actually, it might. It might start. It has one last chance to get up here in the next like 15 minutes. In the next 15 minutes, if this candle just does not pop up, then we're gonna go into distribution down. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yep. Could definitely see that happening. Wait a minute. Change in state. Oh my god, he has it. Let's change it. Oh wow.
Let's play out. You can see we do get displacement and it close over the 50% of this fair value gap, but not completely below the fair value gap. So you could consider this inversion, but I prefer to wait for a full closure below. Here you can see we get that inversion as well as the change in the state of delivery, validating this now as an order block. On the next candle, you can see we retest this order block here. However, we do not shift structure yet.
Yeah. I see that. So 1 minute here, bro. It needs to get going. It needs to get going. Also, I don't know where. It could sweep those highs though. It could sweep this and then make a market structure shift here. Where's the swing low? Damn, there's really no fucking swing lows, dude. Holy shit. It's all, bro. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, it's not really gonna work out then. Fuck. Hmm. Okay. Well, NQ is definitely starting to sell off. QQ most definitely. NQ is definitely starting to sell off. Unless it just wants to buy out of nowhere. I need to see a sweep of these highs, man. Like that's gonna be the toll of like sweep those highs and now enter short. Like that's like that's Come on, go up, get it high and sweep it, please. Come on. Oh my god, it is. It's selling, bro. It's selling. That's the third like doji right there. It could just start selling right now. It's it's struggling. I don't know what it's doing. It's trying to get up to these highs, but it's not. Choppy, choppy, choppy. It is choppy as hell. Like 30-minute just shows it like perfectly. Like it just sweeps that and it's coming down. Um we're oh my god, dude. Like I want to go short on this, but there's so much I really want to short this, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I really want to short this. Hmm. It's not even. Wow. So in 20 to 2. Yeah, 2 more candles basically. I mean, we can start early, that's the thing, but see, I just need this to take out. ADTX, huh? Huh. Okay, so somehow this is making me money. I gotta get more. Where did I buy it at though? 632. Okay. But UVI or whatever is for some reason it's not doing too good. Don't know why. I wanted to break these lows. I don't know why it isn't breaking them. Like, it really does look like it wants to break them, but I just don't know why it's not. Oh shit, see, we're already down 100. God fucking damn it. Am I not live anymore? It needs to just break those highs, man. Okay, it's going. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Puts 2-day DT, ODT. Got $100 to play here. We're playing with a low risk. I'm gonna go with a $30 contract. $35 contract. Extremely low risk. If this wants to break out, which you know what's concerning is that the 0.62 level is rejecting this price very, very hard. That's what I'm concerned about. Like, why is it not wanting to come higher? The 15-minute has 7 minutes before distribution quarter. And this is like the perfect time to go short. Like, literally the perfect time. I just need this to break this high. Or tap into it at least. Like, give me something. Don't give me nothing. Give me, just buy it just a little bit. Yep, 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 yep. 20 seconds, bro. Come on. Okay. Probably got a really bad entry, I'm not gonna lie. Three seconds to the new 15. Oh, there's 6 minutes left. Jesus. It could probably still come down like during that time. Now what we want to see is a close below these lows on SPX. That was like the first step. Now we want to see the second step. It's extremely choppy. Extremely choppy. Really don't like this. NQ. What is NQ doing? NQ's going up. Okay. Why would NQ be going up? And we agree. NQ has swept the entire OT. If it wants to go down, it should probably go down now. Regarding the distribution that's about to happen, distribution phase, we should be seeing some momentum because it did sweep this. We are seeing some momentum on SPX, but it's not reaching to those lows, so I don't really care. It's getting like stopped by here. QQQ. Okay, QQQ has a move on it. We're starting to move down on QQQ. Non-SPX. SPX, I want to see those lows get taken out. This to me is the consolidation here. That right here is the consolidation. We're still in this phase of hard consolidation. That's why I don't like that. Okay, well. I think this is the part where I need to step away and come back later. So I'm gonna go mute and just watch this play through. Might as well, you know. Just to let you guys know, we did enter short. Like, I believe I got entered right here. My short position here is here. My take profit is down here. Now, that seems like a crazy, wild, like that's never gonna happen. Actually, I should probably move my stop up to this high, actually. Just tick above. Just to be sure. And we're gonna sit in silence.